In the introduction, the teacher will click the offbeat and model the song. But what is an offbeat? Generally, we perform the beat using body percussion when we introduce a song to students. A beat is a consistent sound in time. If we group the beats into fours, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then the offbeat will be on beats 2 and 4. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4. I thought I heard the captain say, "Pay me my money down, tomorrow is our sailing day. Pay me my money down, pay me, oh pay me. Pay me my money down, pay me or go to jail. Pay me my money down." We will perform the song a number of times in the introduction and ask students some specific questions. These can be found in the lesson plan. One of those questions is for students to identify and discuss the use of melodic variation in the "pay me my money down" phrases. And we can support them here by mapping the contour of the melody with our hand in the air. Pay me my money down. Pay me my money down. In lesson activity 1, students will learn 2 different rhythmic ostinatos, which is a repeated rhythmic pattern, and they will use them to accompany the song. I'm going to provide an example of how each of those melodic ostinatos fit with the song. Ostinato 1. And I sit on the river, and I sit on the river. I thought I heard the captain say, "Pay me my money down, tomorrow is our sailing day. Pay me my money down, pay me, oh pay me. Pay me my money down, pay me or go to jail. Pay me my money down." Rhythmic ostinato 2 would sound like this. My money down. I thought I heard the captain say, "Pay me my money down, tomorrow is our sailing day. Pay me my money down, pay me, oh pay me. Pay me my money down, pay me or go to jail. Pay me my money down." The process that we will use to introduce each of these ostinatos will involve performing the ostinato, which the students will learn using Galt method. We will then start up the offbeat as the teacher, sing the song over the top, and then layer out the ostinato. So students will perform the ostinato throughout the performance. You don't need to combine the 2 parts. In lesson activity 2, students will accompany the song using rhythm ostinato 1 and 2. We will begin by starting up rhythm ostinato 1, which the entire class will perform. And I sit on the river, and I sit on the river, and I sit on the river. Then section off half the class and start up rhythm ostinato 2. My money down, my money down, my money down. Now that both of those ostinatos are being performed, as the teacher, start up the offbeat, sing the song, finally layer out. In lesson activity 3, we will perform the song as a call and response. And we're going to conduct students here. We're going to say my part and your part. We're going to begin by introducing the offbeat. Students will hold the offbeat throughout the activity. I thought I heard the captain say, tomorrow is our sailing day. Pay me, oh pay me. Pay me or go to jail. In lesson activity 4, we will combine those ideas to create a larger work. We're going to perform it as a quartet. We're going to begin by starting up the offbeat, which the entire class will perform. We will then section off a quarter of the class, and we will start up rhythm ostinato 1. Then section off the next quarter of the class and start up rhythm ostinato 2. Finally, we will sing the song as a call and response with the last half of the class. I thought I heard the captain say, pay me my money down, tomorrow is our sailing day. Pay me my money down, pay me, oh pay me. Pay me my money down, pay me or go to jail. Pay me my money down. And then layer out rhythm ostinato 2 and 1. Working beyond for lesson activity 5 may involve accompanying the song using tuned percussion. I have a xylophone in front of me, and I've set the instrument up in the key of G pentachordal. And I've achieved this by removing the E and the F notes from the instrument. There are 2 types of accompaniments I want to talk about in this video, and the first is the Bourdon accompaniment. In this key, the Bourdon only uses the notes G and D, and it's always performed on the beat. We have a chordal Bourdon. I thought I heard the captain say, pay me my money down. We have the broken Bourdon. I thought I heard the captain say, pay me my money down. And we have the arpeggiated Bourdon. I thought I heard the captain say, pay me my money down. The Bourdon always finishes on the G note. Another way that we can accompany the song is to use melodic ostinato. A melodic ostinato is a music term which means a repeated melodic pattern. Students can improvise and experiment on the instrument until they come up with something that they feel is suitable to accompany the song. I'm going to provide an example of a melodic ostinato. I thought I heard the captain say, pay me my money down.